Hi traders, you may have heard of Deepseek. This is the new AI that's doing all the rounds lately, and I'm going to show you how you can make a trading robot from it. First of all, you just go to deepseek.com, and once you log in, you get this prompt. And what I'm going to say is actually I'm going to ask you also for some trading ideas. So I want something quite simple. I've sped this bit up, but I'm asking for some simple trading ideas which we can implement into a trading robot. And let's see what it comes up with. I've also sped up this section, so this is where it's generating 10 ideas for us. Okay, great. And literally, we just grab one of these and we shall get it to make it. So I am going to, first of all, copy and paste my prompt. This is a prompt which I found has worked quite well for me. So here it is. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy, say the first one, moving average crossover, put it into here, and I'm going to put it into this section here. Oops, I've done that wrong, have I? So what I've said is, okay, so I'm going to let this run. Actually, I want to stop this because I've done that wrong. In fact, here is my prompt. I'm going to copy it into my prompt and okay, so here we go. So here's my prompt. Please create me a trading robot in Metatrader. I'm going to say 5 MQL5 using the following information. I've just copy and pasted the idea into here. The important thing is asking for it to be fully optimizable, because this is going to give you the options to find settings which will work. You're not likely going to find a trading robot which is going to be profitable on day one. So you need that, and you also need to make sure that you've said support for all brokers, particularly around filling modes, because you will get trading robots which won't work otherwise across different brokers. I know Metatrader should be all the same, but it's not, so you need to put that in. And then name trading robots, give it a name, simple moving average crossover. Click OK. And the amazing thing is Deepseek is completely free. If you look at all the other ones, ChatGPT, Claude, they all cost if you want premium, but this one is completely free and it is really good. I did have a ChatGPT video which I made probably last year trying to do this, and it was just fraught with bugs and errors, and it was very difficult to do, and in the end I got fed up with it. But this new generation of AI chat agents are very good, and what I'm seeing is sometimes first try you can get a train robot which has no bugs. So it's done it. What we do is you go here, click on copy, and then if you go to your broker, go tools, go to the language editor, go to new, expert advisor, next. So moving average, give it a name, average crossover, Mr. Allen Forex. Next, finish. Now all you do is just select the whole lot, Control A, I'm going to delete it, I'm going to paste the code that it's given me in here, and just click on compile. Sometimes you see you get errors, then you copy the errors, right click, copy, back into Deepseek and paste the error message and send it back in. So it's going to correct the code. Now we just have to wait for it to finish this, and then we basically copy this over the existing code. Even sometimes you have to do this a couple of times. The problem with this AI, sometimes it does forget things. That's done. Not going to bother reading all that, so just copy it, go back, Control A to select the whole lot, delete it. Let's paste in a new code, compile it. Still another error, so I'm going to copy the whole lot again, copy that, put that in back in. And it's going to go again and fix it. Okay, it's done. So once again, copy it, go back in here, Control A, delete it, Control V to paste. Let's compile it again. Okay, it's done now. And then all you have to do is now click on this button. That should take you into here. So you see it's compiled, you see all the settings. And then what I want to do is I'm just going to test it, just to make sure we've got some basic trading logic is going to work. So here it is. These are the inputs. So just to test it, I'm going to go small so it just doesn't, and just do a start and see whether it trades at all. Yeah, it does trade, which is good. So now you've got a working trade robot. So that is it, simple in a nutshell. Obviously, the next steps now are to optimize it. Click on Fast Genetic Inputs. If you watched my previous video, I showed you what you can do to optimize. So I would do a few optimizations to see whether we can find something which actually does work, and I'll put that in another video. But what I wanted to do was to literally just show you how easy it is now to generate a train robot using AI, and Deepseek AI has been really good in and simple, as you can see. A couple of times where we had some errors, but very easily fixed. You just put the error or any errors back in, and you can get it fixed. And sometimes if it compiles and doesn't trade, even though you've done all the basic checks, you can go into sort of a journal here, journal, and you'll see some error messages in the journal, and you can copy and paste these back into Deepseek, and it'll figure out what's wrong, the logic. Even though it's compiling, if it's not trading, it can work that out for you. So I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing, and we'll speak to you soon.